I see you drew a bright yellow sun and two blue clouds in the sky. That looks like a nice day. What's happening under the sun? Are you going to draw something else there?
That's correct. The day I'm talking about was very bright and sunny, and I was playing outside in the garden with my brother.
You were playing outside in the garden with your brother on a bright, sunny day. That sounds fun. What were you two doing together? Were you running, chasing, or maybe drawing like this too?
So at first we were playing normal games like tag or hide and seek, but then at some point things started to go wrong.
I see you drew a house now. Was that your house? You said things started to go wrong. What happened next? Did something change in your game or how you felt? I see you drew your brother with a happy face and you with a sad one. Was that when things started to feel not so good? What happened to make you feel that way?
At some point my brother started to take some rocks from the ground and throw them at me on my face, and it made me feel very sad.
You drew yourself crying, and your brother throwing rocks. It sounds like that hurt, not just your body, but your heart too. Was he trying to hurt you on purpose? Do you want to tell me more about how you felt in that moment?